Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to track time in ClickUp. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you want to track your time on a specific task, then you're going to go in over here to your team space. You want to go to projects, and you're going to want to go to one of your projects here, and you'll actually see normally your default view will maybe be in a board. Okay, so let's say, for example, this task 1 over here, we want to go ahead and we want to click on the 3 dots. You'll come down and you'll see start timer, and this will literally actually start the timer. Okay, now this you'll see on the top of your page over here. You can actually just click on this. You'll be able to see all the details. So it's task 1. It'll tell you the date, some notes. You can also add tags, and then you can also mark it as billable, and that can be set up in your settings, your configurations, if you are billing a per hour or whatever the case may be in what you're doing. Now let's say that you would like to click on list. Over here, you'll actually be able to see over here there are different headings in list, and if you want to add a heading or a column here, you can actually add in time tracked. So you can just add that in. Let's close this. You'll see now that this is time tracked, and quite simply you can see that it says task 1 and we are currently on the timer. You can also go ahead now and click on add time to an entry in over here, and you can, let's say, add time here that you have previously worked in. So you can say 3 hours, and there we go. Now you're going to go ahead and say save, and you'll see that there are 3 hours clocked in on this task 2. This is still running, and that's fine. We can click on the stop button over there to just quickly stop that. And then if you want to manage all of your time entries and your time sheets, what you can do is you can track time not only specifically on a task. So you can go time entries. You can see here all your time entries. Go to time sheets, and you can actually just go and go to time sheets here. Click on add task. You're going to add your task in over here, and you can add that time total. So whatever task you're working on, go ahead, choose one, and then you can actually add time in over there. Now, there's a few ways to track your time in ClickUp.